Hey everyone, I'm Nirav Shah, Senior Vice President of Products and Solution at Fortinet.
Hi, Parikshit from HCL Tech. I look after the practices for cyber unit.
Yeah, if you look at today's cybersecurity industry, cyber crimes are targeting those OT industry because for a long time, the OT and IT have an air gap. But now what we are seeing is the OT networks are now connecting to IT and they don't have the visibility and control to some of the most important thing that OT network is driving. So the first thing is really to make sure the OT network is secure. How do we make sure that the cyber crimes are not focusing on those PLCs where the vulnerabilities and the patching is extremely hard? So having that visibility detection has been the big focus for an OT security.
One is definitely the complexity in the OT environment. Typically, based on the legacy environment, proprietary protocols, it was very difficult for us to safeguard from the OT side. Second is around the converge of IT and OT, which is increasing the threat landscape of the enterprise. Right. Third is definitely which is around the visibility of the OT environment. Right. So while we are getting in, there are not enough visibility which is coming in at the network layer on the OT environment. And lastly, it is aggregated with the talent shortage in the OT side. So these are the four key challenges which comes to my mind right from the challenges side.
What I liked about that CL Tech is having that OT SOC. So integrating the Fortinet's OT security platform in HCL Tech OT SOC brings this partnership together, which ultimately helps the CISO to look at that from visibility, detection, and end-to-end protection. That's something I'm really excited about. And second, it's ultimately our customers are looking at us as the trusted advisor, right? As you mentioned, there is a big skill shot. How do we help them creating this environment where first and foremost we are stopping some of these advanced attacks which are happening at a very, very high scale? So to me, that the combination of OT SOCs, providing the advisor services is really what going to help our customers.
The comprehensive portfolio, which includes the integrated framework from HCL Tech and the best of breed solutions from the Fortinet. So that is one. Second is we bring the tailored solutions for our customers, right? So typically we have an experience center where we co-innovate, right, our solutions with Fortinet and us, and based on the use cases, we defined what is the best use cases for those customers for us, right? The training framework, the lab environment is adding on top of it as a partnership model. So I think these are the three areas which help us out to increase the threat management capabilities, drive compliance, and increase the security efficiencies for our customers. So that's what the partnership brings on the table.
We have to fight AI with AI, right? We just released the FortiGuard Threat Landscape Report, and one thing which stood out to me is with the AI technologies, the cyber crimes are now doing 39,000 scans per second on OT environment. For managing that kind of scale, the vendors and community, we need to make sure that we are using AI and machine learning to understand that scale and sophistication and provide the robust protection. And that is something absolutely going to continue to expand, and Fortinet has always been on a forefront working with HCL Tech to have those AI and machine learning built in to our OT security platform. But it is not just about protection, it is also about using the AI technologies in more of a Gen AI, and how can we help the NOC and SOC operation to become more simplified. And of course, you talked about compliance. All the data, all the security framework that we are building should provide them a compliance framework which they can showcase to the board, showcase the value of the OT security protection. So those two things to me is where the industry is going, and as this kind of partnership, we can take it to the next level.
So looking forward, I think 2-3 areas which comes to my mind, right? One is definitely how we can make it more predictive, intelligent from a OT standpoint, right? So that is one key area we have to look at it. Secondly, we have to infuse the AI and ML to increase the efficacy of the overall security posture. So that's the second area. And together with this Fortinet technology, I think we can bring much more value together going ahead. Thank you, Nirav. Thanks for this partnership.